Warsaw, Poland, is a beautiful city with a rich history, and taking a bus tour is one of the most convenient ways to explore it. There are several types of bus tours you can take in Warsaw, ranging from hop-on hop-off tours to more specialized, guided excursions. Here's an overview of what you can expect. Hop-on hop-off bus tours. These tours are perfect for those who want the flexibility to explore the city at their own pace. Typically, they cover all the major attractions in Warsaw, and you can get off at any stop to explore a particular area before catching another bus to continue the tour. Main stops on hop-on hop-off tours: Old Town, Stare Miasto, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and historical landmarks. Royal Castle, a beautiful palace that was the residence of Polish kings. Łazienki Park, a stunning park with a palace on the water and peacocks walking freely. Palace of Culture and Science, a massive Stalinist skyscraper, a symbol of Warsaw. Wilno Palace, a Baroque-style palace and one of the most beautiful in Poland. Warsaw Uprising Museum, a tribute to the 1944 Warsaw Uprising, offering a deep dive into Poland's WWII history. Guided bus tours provide an in-depth look at Warsaw's history, culture, and landmarks. These tours are led by knowledgeable guides who share fascinating stories about the city. Some of these tours might focus on specific themes, like Warsaw's Jewish history, WWII, or communist-era architecture. Warsaw Historical Tour, a comprehensive tour of the city's most significant historical sites, including the Old Town, Royal Route, and the Palace of Culture. Jewish Warsaw Tour, a deep dive into the city's Jewish history, including visits to the Warsaw Ghetto Memorial and the Nazareth Synagogue. WWII and Uprising Tour focuses on Warsaw's experiences during WWII and the Warsaw Uprising of 1944. If you prefer to explore on your own, many buses come with audio guides in multiple languages, providing information about the places you pass. These tours allow you to sit back and enjoy the scenery while learning about the city's history and landmarks. Some tour operators also offer night bus tours, which give you a chance to see the city illuminated and explore Warsaw's vibrant night scene, including its cultural hotspots, bars, and restaurants. It's a great way to see the city in a different light. If you prefer a more personalized experience, you can book a private bus tour. This can be tailored to your interests, whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or just want to see the most picturesque spots in Warsaw. Best time to visit. Spring and summer are ideal for bus tours in Warsaw, as the weather is pleasant and you can enjoy the outdoor attractions like Łazienki Park. However, autumn is also beautiful, with fall colors in the parks.
obrat, spravi, tobačno industrijo, tudi zaposluje preko 3000 delavcev, spravi, je ta predel Nove Huta še danes tako gospodarsko kar pomemben, ampak primerljivo, ne primerljivo s temi številkami zaposlenih v času bivšega režima. Je pa zanimivo tudi to, ko so postavili ta ogromen jeklarski obrat, so potem že kmalu videli, da najbolj racionalna odločitev to ni bila, ne, ker sam meni Krakova, ne, ki je vezana na plemstvo, na poljske kralje, ne, potem na te meščanske družine, ne, in zanimivo tudi arhitekturno so se lotili takšnega projekta, da so kombinirali stare srednjeveške sloje z slogom realsocializma. To je zanimivo videti, ne, pa niso bili to vse slabi projekt, ne. Skratka, ljudem so želeli dati vedeti, da oni zdaj po drugi vojni gradijo nekaj novega, da stari Krakow je ena preteklost, ne, da oni se morajo zgolj ozirati v prihodnost, ponudili so delovna mesta, ljudje odkot so prihajali seveda iz teh ruralnih predelov s podeželja, velike bloke, na mestu je bilo ta sosedska tako zelo odprta, nekaj podobnega, ki ste videli v Lodžu, ne, te boulevardske razsežnosti, ampak to je tipika realsocializma, ne, in nasploh tako avtoritarnih in totalitarnih režimov, ta odprtost, ne, zaradi večje kontrole, ne, to je pomembno povedati, ne, spravi vse je pod nadzorom, ne, težko se je kam, bi rekli, skriti, ne, potem ti prostori večjih trgov so za razna zborovanja, ne, za te manifestacije in podobno. Tako je izgledala ta nova huta. Danes izgleda sosedska kar žalostno, ker tam je v glavnem ostalo starejše prebivalstvo. Za časa socializma je pa to vsaj do tistega kriznega obdobja, ki se je začelo konec 70-ih let, je izgledalo vse skupaj kar zelo zanimivo, zelo urejeno je bilo, ne, tako da je to tudi en pomemben del zgodovine Krakova. In se pravi, te relacije, ne, vzpostavitev nečesa novega naspram staremu Krakovu, ne, želeli so to doseči na koncu in seveda ni uspelo, ne, staro mesto je le staro mesto, to je neka oprijemljiva zgodovina, ne, eno od veličasti te kulturne dediščine in
For all my friends there, thank you very much for supporting me. And if you want, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? See you in my next content.